Hello, my name is Frank Marfai. I am your course instructor, and I'm so happy to be talking to you today about the group project, which, as you know, is right now a big question mark. Like, what is it all about? So I'm going to give you a little bit of outline of what is expected of the project. So you've been learning calculus for a while now, and you might be wondering, what do you use it for? Or how can you use it in the real world? And you saw a little bit of that in chapter 5. And this group project is going to give you a chance to do that. And when I make a group project, it will be a small group, meaning like 2 people, maybe 3 at most in a group. And really, it's going to come in a couple of stages. There's a common element that everyone is doing, and then there will be something specific that you choose what it is. If you are finding trouble finding a partner, let me know. We'll put you with like-minded peers who are interested in working on the same project. You'll get to choose what group project you're going to be doing. So let me talk a little bit about some of the concepts that are being covered in this group project. One of the things is when you look at real objects in the world, let's say we have this over here. Okay, and this is taken from a magnetic levitating toy that you see here. And it does rotate. So that really is a solid of revolution. Okay. Or maybe you're trying to find where the balancing point of a toy eagle is. You see here. So for example, I can take this toy and mathematically it's actually right, the balancing point is right where the peak is. Now, how did they shift the mass enough just to make that happen? Now, in our case, we'll do a 2-dimensional version of this. Maybe this is an eagle printed on a poster or something like that. But where is the balance point for this eagle? And can you find it? What about this? Let's say you want to manufacture a glass and you want to figure how much glass is it going to take to do this radiometer. Now, this radiometer, if I move it, maybe not, but it is actually light. So if I were to turn on the light here, what would happen is this would rotate. Works better than advertised, we think, right? But on a bright sunny day, what you'll notice is this actually starts rotating quite a bit. Actually, now it's rotating when I'm trying not to have it rotate. Okay. Or what if you're trying to figure out the volume water that would fit in here? Or what if this is solid? What is its volume? This is actually a fruit container that holds lemons, for example. It's something similar, which is for vegetables, which is holding an onion. But let's say you were to manufacture this. What would it look like? How much could fill this in there? Also, we have shells. Or, let's say you want to manufacture a guitar. Each one of these does represent a project, and what you will choose is which one you want to study or model. There are a couple of steps to it. So really there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 projects to choose from, depending on what interests you.